Hey there guys, this is Andrew here. What is going on? The reason why I'm making this update video is this is not an Extreme House Makeover video. Well, it may sound extreme, but it's just a normal update that you find on a regular basis. But this is because we're getting a new refrigerator. As the old one, this one right here is about to fail out. It apparently failed inspection because of the codes it didn't meet. The cooling ventilation was about to fail, and it would be a heap of money to replace the ventilation. So it would be better off to replace the whole refrigerator. This pile underneath these blankets and pillows, all the frozen stuff, including the snacks and drinks. So yeah. Want to see what the refrigerator looks like? This is what it all looks like on the inside. General Electric Company. Yep. And here's the inside of the refrigerator. Still have to finish off the stir-fried chicken and a small pizza. Since the oven is blocked off the stove, I might as well use the toaster oven for lunch if anything goes well. But yeah, just a quick update video of what's going on. The old refrigerator is failing and we're getting a new one rather than replacing the ventilation. Oh, by the way, my birthday's coming up in a month, so yeah, I'm hoping for Yoshi toys for my 22nd birthday, so yeah, stay tuned.